Amen. The most house. I never dies. I lives. I shoot the day I die. I'm a spirit. I am sorry for those that become your enemies. Why? Because why we gather here is to recover all that you have lost. I'm not sure you know why we are here. I am here to let your enemy to know that they don't have a final say to your life. I am here to let your enemy to know that they don't exist. And all those evil men and evil women that have said that nobody will rise up in your family. That is why the lion himself exists. I will make sure that I kill them all. Amen.